Hi, my name's Garrett. Welcome to the PowerSport Hustle YouTube channel. Today, I got my personal boat, which is a 2007 Seadoo Challenger 230, and it's got a crack in the hull. So the obvious way to fix it is we're going to flex seal it, because why not? When I bought the boat, I got a really good deal on the boat, so I took it knowing there was a problem with the hull and knowing there was a couple cracks in the hull already as it was. So I bought the boat because it was like a quarter of the price of what they were going for, knowing we could fix it. We fixed it a few times, it's still cracking. We know it's because the first time it was done, the fiberglass wasn't repaired correctly the first time. So now I'm like, sure, let's flex seal it. Why not? Sounds like a good idea. Here's the crack on it. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Here's one of the cracks. That's on one side of the boat. It's only about 1.5 feet long, that side. And this is the bad one. And like you can see there, you can see exposed fiberglass. And yeah, that one looks like it's pretty well through. So eventually I'm gonna have to fix it for sure, properly. But we're gonna flex seal it, just cause why not? Let's see what happens. I just have some tape here. We'll mask all this off. Show all of it. So right here, you can see where I flex sealed it. All nice. All nice and sealed up. Not really, but looks pretty terrible. But you know, it's just flex seal. If it doesn't work out, we're just gonna grind it off and re-fiberglass it anyways. And then there, it dripped pretty good. Couple runs. Don't matter. We're gonna hit the lake here in a second. We're gonna go give it a go, see how she runs, or if it sinks. Who knows? We're gonna find out. try again another day. But at least we'll know if the Flex Seal helped. Hopefully. So we made it out here. We're kind of out on the lake somewhat. It's really windy and choppy. There's a bunch of people fishing. Oh yeah, there he's doing some fishing. But we're gonna check and see. Most of the water ends up pooling at the back here. And usually I just run the bilge, but I want to see if it was going to fix it, so I haven't ran the bilge yet. So we're going to take it out, we're going to take this cover off, see how much water's back here. Oh, okay. Might be a bit loud, but there's no water down there. There's usually water right in the bottom there. Usually a whole bunch of water in there. And there's nothing. I seriously just fixed the problem with the Flex Seal. There's no way I just fixed it with Flex Seal. But who knows? We're gonna keep going out here and see what other kind of things we can find. And then we'll take it back to the dock and see what it looks like on the side. But Phil Swift was right. Phil Swift was right. Flex Seal does work. Yeah. There's no way on earth this worked. I can't believe it. It doesn't make any sense to me how some rubberized coating in a can fixed this boat. We had it out in some choppy water and I was not holding back. I had it full tilt the whole way for like a few kilometers and nothing. Like usually the bilge right now is like water coming out of the bilge. So right now it's nothing at all. I know there's one other leak that like is part of the exhaust. There's part of the exhaust on it that's all screwed up, but we're thinking the rest of it came from that crack. There's no way it worked. This doesn't make any sense. Okay, hang on there. So here's the moment of truth. See how much water comes out of it. Usually the water piles out for a long time. Oh, caught some seaweed, but we're gonna see. Let's see what happens here. Like, and usually it's just sitting there like that. It's coming out of the bilge as well. Let's see how much water comes out of this. Definitely a lot less. We did it before, it was like a few minutes, maybe 5-6 minutes, it would run water out of the back. But now like it's barely even been a minute and it's already dying down, so It looks like we may have fixed it. I don't know if it's going to be a permanent fix because, let's be honest, it's only Flex Seal. Look at that, it's still there. Kind of looks bad. It's kind of starting to peel away, but hey. For 20 bucks to fix that for like a $60,000, $70,000 boat. I'm laughing, yeah, like look at that. Still minty. Ooh, that makes me happy. That's good. I'm happy with that. So I think that's a wrap on the flex sealing of a boat for today. We're obviously going to fix it correct and we're going to make it all right and make this thing run proper again. But I've had this boat for a few years, so we're gonna start doing some upgrades soon on it to kind of make it just a bit more usable. I want to do more wakeboarding and stuff like that, so probably going to do a better sound system, put a wake tower on it. I want to do a bunch of upgrades on the trailer, make that look better, fix some stuff. There's some engine stuff that needs to be fixed, and I want to replace all the gauges with like a nice touch screen or a nice screen of some sort, just to kind of update the whole boat and make everything look a lot nicer. So I think that's gonna be a wrap for today. So if you want to give me a subscribe down low and follow for more stuff that's going on, we're gonna have some more videos coming out soon. And yeah, thanks for joining us on the PowerSport Hustle YouTube channel. Have a good one, guys.